notifications in ArcGIS Monitor. You'll be able to follow along in the Adding Notifications section in the ArcGIS Monitor help. We'll start by opening Administrator and going to File, Open. Next, we need to browse to the ArcGIS Monitor Server Settings folder and open the config.db file. Here we can see the admin email address that was entered during the installation. This represents the from email address, where emails will be coming from in terms of ArcGIS Monitor notifications. Next, we need to enter the mail host server. This is the SMTP host that will process the from email to the to email target addresses. Next, we need to enter the port number that will be used for communication to the SMTP server. Check with your IT department or system administrator for the appropriate port number. If your SMTP server requires a secure connection with authentication, select the Enabled option and enter the username and password if required. Next, click the Save button and then click the Test Email button. Within a minute or two, you should receive an email to the administrative email address indicating that ArcGIS Monitor sent a notification successfully. Next, we will go File, Close, and then click the Open Connection button. Make sure you have selected the collection name followed by the Notifications button on the menu bar to get the Notifications configuration page. Here you can enter the two email addresses that you want to target to receive specific notification types. Notice that you can have one email address receive notifications for all types, including system, process, ArcGIS server, portal, database, and so on, or you can have different email addresses for different counter type alerts. Next, I'll enter an email address that will receive all the alerts, and I'll click the Add button and then the Save button. When an alert condition occurs, this new email address will receive an alert. It's important to note that a dynamic email will be sent once a new alert has occurred, and additional alerts will be sent every 4 hours if that alerting condition is still occurring. Here's an example of an email alert that came in for ArcGIS Server. Notice that the level was marked as critical, indicating it needs immediate administrator attention. The name of the counter is listed, as well as the counter type and counter name. In this case, the response time for Test ArcGIS Server exceeded the validation value of 3 seconds for HTTP response time. The actual value recorded was 25 seconds. The note indicates the type of issue that has occurred. The information in the email alert will help the administrator quickly identify the location and severity of the alert condition. Refer to the Emails and Alerts section of the ArcGIS Monitor help for more information on when to expect alerts and rules for triggering the alert condition. Thanks for watching.